So IndusInd Bank right at the top of the list, 6% gains. Adani Ports with a 5% pop. Bajaj Finance with about a 4.33% gain. Coal India, UPL and TCS were out-and-out gainers. Sectorally, it's banks and IT. Throw in the metals there, all 3% moves on those sectoral indices. Rima.
Well, very quickly, Angel One, M&M Financial, those business updates look very good and stocks go home with a double-digit rally. Ease My Trip, where there is news for bonus as well as stock split, the stock gain close to about 6.5% in trade. And a couple of the others, like CSB Bank continues with its gains from yesterday. Bank of Maharashtra's also business update looked very strong. On the losing side, KEC was under pressure, down 1.5% despite winning orders for the month of September. Marico was under pressure as the street is a bit disappointed by the low single-digit volume growth guidance that the company has given. And Mazgao Dock, that's one of the stocks, fresh 52-week high on that, very strong volume, stock gaining close to about 10%. And Max Ventures, the NCR-based real estate companies, locked in an upper circuit. Nigel?
Well, there were a few more gainers as well in today's trading session. You had Apar Industries, the stock was up close to around 10% in trade today. Couple of other big names as well. Power Mech. Remember, the management has joined us. They're sounding very optimistic about the future. In the last 2 months or so, the stock has moved briskly from around 1,100 to around 2,000, closer to 2,000. Power Mech is the stock that we're talking about. So flying away in trade today. And throw in there a couple of smaller names as well that normally we don't talk about. Gayatri Projects was up and about, but that's only a single-digit stock right now. MM Financial, well, that one as well did pretty well. So to wind things down, it was a solid trading session with the Nifty starting off in the green and building on the gains all through the trading session. The Nifty Bank, the one that saw a sharper pullback, well, that's the one that pulled back in style today, was up close to under 1,100 points by the time we wound up. And the breadth of the market firmly in favor of the number of stocks that are advancing. You had close to around 2,300 stocks that were advancing in trade today, while you had only around 530 odd stocks that were on the declining end of things. Metals as well as IT, both global facing in nature, they bounced back in style today. But the banking names, that's the big weight in there. That gained, and that's what gave the Nifty some kind of basis. Good trading session. We have a midweek holiday tomorrow, so wishing you all a happy Dussehra. For the time being, though, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Lots lined up on our Tuesday special offering. Commodity champions lined up on the other side.